Okay, so first of all, congratulations for achieving the height and securing first rank in the school.
Yes, sir.
So before we start, would you like to introduce yourself and tell about yourself?
Hello everyone, my name is Dipali and I'm from Humanities, and this year I scored 96.2% from like the session 2025-26.
How was the feeling when you have seen the result, and what was the mind at that time? Would you like to share?
Yeah, when I saw my scoreboard mark sheet, I was really happy for my subjects from which I expected. Like specifically from my domain, I got highest in like political science 99, and the other subjects were also congratulatory for me. My parents were really very happy, and when they got to know about us being securing the first position, they were like they had the dream that I should do this, and it was all my goal. And I was really happy, and the school members were very eager to know. Like they were wishing me great achievements for me when they got to know my results, and I was truly very happy. Like it was I was on cloud 9 that day, like yesterday.
So how Takshila has contributed in your achievement and success?
First of all, I would really thank Takshila family for my personality cult development. It's been really an honor for me because when I was a child, I used to be kind of timid. I was not outspoken so much, but now it's really changed because of the CC activities. I have engaged a lot, like diversified opportunities are provided in Takshila, like debate, CC extemporary, which is impromptu based on. So that really helped us, and like we have inter-school competitions as well, where like multiple district level schools will come and participate. So that was really very helpful for me. And in the classes also, the teachers would give you a topic to speak and present yourself, or like in front of class you would have debates as well, which would like develop a critical thinking skills. So and basically like analytical, psychological, emotional, in all round aspect, Takshila has truly shaped me. Like giving my adolescence to Takshila is really a great deal, and I had so happy that it is a very truly a great choice of being part of Takshila. I consider myself as lucky to be part of Takshila actually.
You know, board examination is a big thing, deal. So it is very important that through you, all the students get to know how you have overcome the challenges of board fear, what preparation you have made, what challenges you have faced. Would you like to share those things?
The basic challenge was doing the things which we have already done. Like we studied throughout the year, like every child studies every year. But the major, like crucial point is that doing that thing over and over again. As we read the chapter, we get the conceptual thing, like what is the chapter is being about. But like repeating those things, learning it again and again, it's a tough process because sometimes we get bored. So we have to look for other like ways, methods, how can we look for it. And like personal guidance, teachers also give, like they will personally monitor our results, like tell us, and they will have a session that what area that you need to improve. And like throughout the year, like I was continuously pointed about my writing skills, that how you need to do about, and I was truly grateful. Like in my board examination, I could truly know the reflection that what I had done and what was told to me by my teachers.
Now onward, how you see your career and goals, and what are your set targets?
Regarding my career and goals, I would say like I would go, like right now I'm pursuing for my CUET, and then I would go for the civil services examination, and then after looking forward I will go for the civil services, and we will see how things unfold from them on. And to be precise, it might sound an exaggeration, but we are provided with the preparation level in our school, like for NEET, IIT is there, and for our humanities students we are provided like the questions for CUET as well, for CLAT also, like many students were appearing. So it's a wholesome thing to aspire and look forward for the future for the best. That's it.
Thank you so much, Dipali, for contributing such time with us and Takshila Academy, and I personally wish you a best career ahead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Takshila.